guys, this is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video, and the Samsung Galaxy S20 has made it to my house. So we're going to unbox this, take a look at it, and see what I picked up. But as you guys can see from the title, I picked up the blue one, and let's get into it and check it out, man. So pretty excited about this. I haven't bought a S-series device in a long time. So pretty excited about getting one. And the specs on this thing are outstanding. And just looking forward to using it. So I got my paperwork and stuff in here. What I'm going to do, so I'm going to be getting rid of my Note 8. Nothing else in the box. I got a trade in on that, and that's what I'm going to be getting rid of. But I got the regular S20. I didn't get the big boy or the next big boy. I got the small one here. So here it is. This is the box. You guys can see Samsung Galaxy S20 5G. Pretty slick looking box. Kind of neat looking. So on the back, it tells you it contains the S20 5G, wall charger, stereo headset, quick start guide, and that's about it. So let's get this thing cracked open, man. And I'll go over a few specs on this. So this has a 6.2-inch display, 1440 by 3200. Has a 20:9 aspect ratio. Put the phone over to the side for a minute. Has Gorilla Glass 6, 120 hertz display that it can be set at. You also get your super fast charger here, but it's supposed to be really fast. This comes out the box with Android 10, One UI 2, has a Snapdragon 865 processor, has 128 gigabytes for storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 4,000 milliamp battery. So you get your charging cable here, Type C to Type C, and you're going to get some earbuds here, which look pretty nice, as you guys can see. AKG tune. And looks pretty good. It's got the inline mic and everything there. So I think that's it you get in the box. You get a little bit more here. You get your SIM ejection tool, and you get your normal paperwork and all of that stuff that I will read later. And you also get your extra tips here for your earbuds. All right, so here's the device. Woo! Man, look at that. So it's a little bit lighter blue color than what I thought it would be. But this is beautiful, man. This is real nice. It's a very small device as well. It does have a screen protector on it already, as you can see. So the back of it, you have a 12 megapixel camera, you have a 64 megapixel camera, and a 12 megapixel camera. This can shoot up to 8K at 24 frames per second. As you can see, you got your Samsung branding there. Got a nice chrome accent going around it. You got your bottom fine speaker, Type C charging port, microphone. This side is clean, nothing there. Got your SIM card tray, microphone. Does have some little blue antenna lines there. And then this side you got your volume up and down and power. Very small in the hand, as you guys can see. But very nice, man. So the front of it has a 10 megapixel camera that can shoot 2160 at 30 and 60 frames per second. Does have a in-stream fingerprint sensor, and this comes in gray, cosmic gray, cloud blue, cloud pink, and cloud white. And also In some areas you can get an Aurora red. So the hump does stick out a little bit on the back of it. But this is very, very small, man. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and boot it up. See if we got some power here. And I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. And then I'll come back in. Here's the startup screen. And then we'll take a look at it after I have it booted up. Have it loaded up with information. So kind of excited, guys. Probably can hear it in my voice. But this is very nice, man. So I'm going to cut it.
Let's get started.
Come back. Okay, guys. So I have my information in. And we're at the home screen here. This is the wallpaper that it comes with straight out the box right here. Very small, man. As I was putting my information in, notice just how small this is. So if you like a compact device, then this will definitely fit you. This is a more of a kind of a sky blue, baby blue color. And it's really nice, man. I really like it. You do have a little bit of a camera hump there, like I said earlier. But just overall feels good in the hand, man. The face recognition, I set it up. And as you can see, it works very well. So let's go into the settings and see just how much. Let's see what version this is on out the box. So if my camera will focus here, this is running One UI 2.1 and Android 10 out the box. And let's see just how much storage we have out the box here. And I'm trying to see if my camera's focusing. You get out of the box 103 available. So not too bad out of 128. And I'm not going to go through too much of the specs, the settings here, because there's a lot of videos out there that's been through that already. So let's kind of look at some of the wallpapers here that they include this time around. Let me go back here. So you get this wallpaper here. You guys can see. You get this one. This one's like a moving, like a video that you can set. You get this one that was on there. You get another one here. So these are the different wallpapers. I don't want to spend too much time on that. And let's take a look at what's all included on here as far as bloatware or whatever. So here's your Google stuff here. As you can see, got your normal Google stuff there, Gmail and things of that nature. You do have a little Microsoft stuff here and your Samsung folder here. Got your calculator, camera, Facebook is there if you don't want that there. Netflix is already there. Samsung Global Goals. Not exactly sure what that is, but that is there. And Spotify and YouTube Music is also there. So a little bit of bloatware, I guess you could call it, if you don't want it there. Let's do a little bit of size comparison now. So here it is next to my iPhone XR, still rocking that. These two, this has 6.1 inch display, and this one has a 6.2 inch. So the displays are pretty similar there. So you can see the Samsung is quite a bit, it's not as wide as the iPhone. And then that, as you can see on the back of it there, you got all those cameras there. The iPhone only has one, but it's a good camera on the iPhone XR. So the next one I got here is my big boy here, my old school, the Galaxy Note 9. Now this has a 6.4 inch display, 6.2. You can see the Note 9 towers over it, and it's much wider. If I put that, you can't even see it. So here it is, the back of them, different camera arrays, as you can see. This one still had the old school fingerprint scan sensor on the back. This one does have an in-stream. Haven't set it up. And then my newest device that I picked up here, my Google Pixel 4 XL, which I really like. 6.3 inch display, 6.2. Google Pixel 4 is a little bit taller, a little bit wider. And they're the back of them. I really like this Google phone, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. You do have your camera humps there, about of the humps. But yeah, man. Stay tuned for more videos about this, case reviews. Gonna do some other videos about this device. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.